This is my 2007 Lexus LS460, and I want to make people aware about this ZLZ customer support program. It's available for these model years of Lexus, not just the LS, but the GS, IS, ES as well. And it's about the interior panels suffering degradation from humidity and high temperatures. And I want to thank Greg P., who posted in a Facebook group I'm in about how you can go in and have this free interior panel evaluation done, which I did yesterday at the Lexus dealer. But you have to get it done by either March 31st, 2021, which is 10 days from now, or 10 years from the date of first use. But it applies to all vehicles regardless of mileage, and if you suffer the degradation, Lexus will replace the parts at no charge to you if you're experiencing these conditions, free of charge to the owner. And you can read about it here, but it's certain interior panels cracked and or sticky over time, etc. So I'll let you read that, but what I wanted to show you is what the Lexus Thomas helped me look at, and it's looking at these panels. The one thing I could see is that it was cracked right here. So he took pictures and will submit it to Lexus, but he's done these inspections before, and he said what to look for is sort of this stickiness, but also a chalky look. And where he saw it on mine was here on the center console. If you see right there, it looks chalky, and if you rub your finger, you can see the chalkiness rubbing off. So likely it looks like this center console would qualify for a replacement. And they'll look at all the doors and interior panels. So if you haven't had it done, I wanted to make people aware you can go to the Lexus dealer and have the free evaluation done under the ZLZ customer support program, no charge to you. Hope this helps, and we'll see you next time.